Hello guys, Shenanigan here with another quick multi-tool video. Here's another one that came in from Amazon today. It's called Shell 18-in-1 multi-tool. Pretty cool, pretty nice multi-tool. People say that it's basically a clone of the Leatherman Wave, so I think this is the one. I've been buying a lot of multi-tools lately, and I will be returning most of them because of issues that pretty much bug me. But this one I think is pretty good. It's really quick on Amazon right now. When I bought it with the discount, it was $25.99, so not bad. Okay, so again, just want to show like close-up videos. Not really gonna go too much into the specs, but let me show you the box so you guys can see what the box looks like. Comes in this box, 18-in-1. Shall work close with you. Just wonder how they came up with that name, And there's all the tools. There is no marking that talks about what kind of steel is used on this. Not on the box and not on Amazon, so yeah. It will come with this pouch, which I will not use. Also says shall. There is a pocket here, exterior pocket. Inside that pocket are your extra bits. So you get 3 extra bits. There you go. That's what it looks like. Close up for you guys. And let's the thing that really sold me on this one is for a budget multi-tool, this is the best one I've seen so far. I mean, I've ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multi-tools and I already returned 2 of them, but this is the best one that I've seen so far for under $30. So what I really like about it is the alignment. So this is the top of the multi-tool. See how it's perfectly lined up. Here's the bottom, still perfectly lined up. Comparing that with my Leatherman Wingman. Here's the top, perfectly lined up. Here's the bottom, perfectly lined up. And I've had this one for years. Here's another Leatherman, my Leatherman Fuse, and I put like a night eyes clip on it. And here's the top, perfectly lined up. Here is the bottom, slightly off, but still alignment is pretty good, right? I mean, compare that with this guy. If you guys remember from my last video, the SQT is pretty good. I really like it. I like the color, but the thing that really bugged me was here's the top and here's the bottom. It's not alignment, not so much. So for $25.99, this guy is, at least in terms of alignment, pretty comparable with the Leatherman. So Yeah, I like it. I think this is the one. This is my keeper. So let me show you the tools that are in it. Of course, very important, the knife blade. And I couldn't find any markings that say what steel it is. Probably like steel, typical Chinese stainless steel. So, but pretty sharp. Here you have your file. Okay. One thing that I noticed is this file is really scraping on the liner lock. So listen. Yeah, you can hear it scraping. Here's your serrated blade. And the other side must be, here's your saw, wood saw. I think this one is also scraping. Yeah, you can hear it. Alright. Here are your tools. You've got your screwdriver, your bit driver right there. Pretty cool. I'll switch it to this. I'll switch it to Phillips. Ball detent. And on the other side, what do you have? We have can opener, precision screwdriver, and I think this scissors. There you go. Very important for me, scissors. A must-have for a multi-tool. Here, that's close. There's your plier head with replaceable wire cutters. Now, one thing I noticed, this one just says stainless steel. Stainless steel. Well, this one, stainless china. Stainless china. So again, I think overall this one is a very good one. So I'm happy with it. I'm keeping this one. I am keeping this one. I'll make another video on the other multi-tools that I got and why I ended up going on this multi-tool binge. But now that I found this one, I think I'm done. So anyway, hope you guys are having a great week. Shenanigan out. Peace.